Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer products.
Today, we have something special for all you health-conscious snackers out there.
We're diving into a detailed review of ALOHA organic plant-based protein bars, particularly the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor.
Stick around because you're about to discover the best plant protein available in the market. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of this delicious snack, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Product Critique.
And if you've tried ALOHA protein bars or have any questions about them, don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Alright, let's jump right into it. ALOHA organic plant-based protein bars have been gaining quite a reputation, and it's no wonder why. These bars are packed with goodness that you won't find in your average protein snack. First, let's talk about the key features that make these bars stand out from the crowd. ALOHA protein bars are 100% plant-based, making them perfect for vegans and those looking to incorporate more plant-based protein into their diets.
Each bar contains a whopping 14 grams of protein, which is impressive for a snack of this size.
If you're watching your sugar intake, you'll appreciate that these bars contain just 5 grams of natural sugar.
Say goodbye to those sugar crashes.
ALOHA knows the importance of catering to dietary needs, and these bars are gluten-free, making them suitable for those with gluten sensitivities. Rest assured, these bars are made with non-GMO ingredients,
so you can enjoy them without any concerns about genetically modified organisms.
Unlike some other protein bars on the market, ALOHA bars are free from artificial sweeteners and sugar alcohols.
It's all about keeping it natural here. These bars are USDA organic certified, ensuring that the ingredients meet high standards for organic production.
ALOHA believes that healthy food can also taste amazing. With real ingredients like organic chocolate chips, cashew butter, and a hint of sea salt, these bars deliver on flavor without compromising nutrition.
Now, let's take a look at the nutrition facts. Each bar provides 220 calories, 95 milligrams of sodium, 14 grams of dietary fiber, 4 grams of sugars, and, of course, that impressive 14 grams of plant-based protein. It's a fantastic option for a quick and satisfying snack that will keep you energized throughout the day. But ALOHA isn't just about making delicious snacks. They're committed to quality and sustainability.
They're a B Corp and climate neutral company, which means they prioritize both purpose and profit while caring for the communities and the planet that sustain us.
If you're interested in giving ALOHA protein bars a try, they come in various flavors,
including chocolate chip cookie dough, peanut butter chocolate chip, lemon cashew, and more. Each box contains 12 bars, each weighing 1.9 ounces. Now, let's take a quick look at what customers have been saying about these bars.
They have received rave reviews for their taste, low sugar content, and quality ingredients. Some have even compared them to popular candy bars, but with the added benefit of being a nutritious snack.
So, there you have it, folks.
ALOHA organic plant-based protein bars, specifically the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor, offer a delightful combination of taste, nutrition, and sustainability. They are indeed the best plant protein available in the market. Have you tried ALOHA protein bars, or are you now tempted to give them a taste test? Let us know in the comments below.
And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And share it with your friends who are always on the lookout for healthy and tasty snacks. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews, and until next time, keep snacking smart and making informed choices. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.